welcome to the Gallery on Magnolia. I am standing here with an art icon. Janice, how are you today?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing so well. Thank you for joining us in the gallery today. This is our series, New Beginnings, where we interview our artists in our first standalone gallery exhibition, New Beginnings. And I'm holding Turtle Season. I'm going to get a little close. Can you tell me about what this is? You are such a unique
This is a gourd that I cut open, cleaned it, and then I drew these little turtles and I carved them.
Wow.
And then painted them after I stained the rest of the gourd.
That's amazing.
And then I sewed the Florida longleaf pine needles.
Those are pine needles.
They are.
Amazing. And how long have you been practicing?
I was an old lady before I figured out I could do anything artistic, so about 10 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
And then you're holding
Marbled Sunset.
Marbles at Sunset.
And this one has alcohol ink on it, on this.
That's beautiful.
And then I did the same thing, you know, with the pine needles,
Right.
sewing it and made a base with the pine needles as well.
These are just beautiful.
Well, thank you.
Thank you for entering in this historic show. And then you and I have been talking a lot in your time in the gallery. You also have an origin story with Images, the Festival of the Arts.
Yes, I've been involved for a long time.
Well, as an artist now, and in the beginning you were
I was treasurer for a long time, about 12 years.
That is so cool. Thank you for your service to NSB Arts. That's amazing.
It is a great town for art.
Yes, I like to call it Art Town USA, personally. New Smyrna Beach, we are known for our creative community. So thank you for being a legacy member. You said you're not from here.
No, I'm from Florida, though.
Florida girl, yes.
Yes.
Native.
Fort Lauderdale.
Wonderful.
And went to high school in Sanford. We came to New Smyrna Beach all the time.
Love that.
And I've been living here quite a while.
Oh, since the 70s, right?
Yeah, right.
That's so cool. So you were with Images when it first began?
Almost.
Almost.
Almost from the beginning.
Wow.
Yes.
And that's why I love the workshop in New Smyrna. We have generations of creative community. So thank you, Janice, for being one of those members. And how long have you been a member of the workshop?
Oh, not long.
Not long?
No.
Yeah, we're kind of new, right?
Yeah, a couple months.
New
I should have been a member many years ago.
That's true.
Yeah,
well,
right. Yeah.
Love it that you're here now and we get to work together.
I'm very proud of it.
Yay.
Yes.
Well, thank you, Janice. All right. Well, that's a beautiful interview for a beautiful show. This will be up till the end of the month, and then we're going into Artist Choice.
Okay.
Are you going to submit into that show too?
I'll think about it.
All right. We've almost got Janice in the next show. I love it. And we are talking about maybe doing a thunder gourd workshop.
Oh,
Spoiler
that would be
alert.
fun.
So more information on that later. But thank you, Janice. I really appreciate your time.
Oh, thank you.
Yes, and thank you guys. Come visit us at the Gallery on Magnolia, 207 Magnolia, right next to Arts on Douglas and right down the street from James Art Center. So, all right, we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Bye-bye.